Welcome back to Cooking with Melissandra and her messy kitchen. Let's go. So, although I would love to be able to cook in a clean kitchen, unfortunately, life has a way of getting in the way. So, I had a really busy day. The morning was crazy. Afternoon was kind of crazy too. So, I didn't get a chance to clean my kitchen. So just ignore all of those dishes over there. They will get done. Trust me, they will. And I have a pimple forming right here. It doesn't want to focus on me. So we're just going to pretend and ignore the mess. And we're gonna work around the mess. How about that? Tonight, I'm gonna say, well, Kilo picked the dinner. I told him that I was going to be making home fries, homemade French fries, but I'm gonna do it a little different. I'm just gonna do it. I'm not even gonna, I don't know. We're just gonna see how it comes out. But I have these leftover potatoes that we have here, and I just bought a whole new bag. We went to Save-A-Lot, so I want to use them before they go bad. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then he wanted steak, so we're gonna make home fries, steak, and gravy. I finally got some onions. Yeah, I got my produce. I do need to make my homemade sofrito. So unfortunately the sofrito is not going to be able to go into the steak, which sucks because sofrito makes my world a so much better place. But we're going to have to live without it and just use recaito. You'll see what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's go. I'm going to do the potatoes. I'm going to cut the potatoes. I'm going to beat my meat. Get the song ready, ladies. And we're going to get to stepping. Okay, so I have some cornstarch. I don't usually put cornstarch on it, but I'm going to this time, just to see. I'm just testing. We're testing the waters. We are experimenting. I did not Google it, which I should have, but you know how like when you go to a restaurant or a diner or something, or some good place, and they have these home fries that are like this, like that. They're usually a little bit thicker, but and they have like this crust on the outside that are it's crunchy. So that is what I'm trying to recreate. Now it could be flour, but I want it to be really crispy, so I'm thinking it's cornstarch. So we're just gonna test the cornstarch and we'll see how it goes. I mean, how bad could it be, right? It can't be. It has to be good. It's just cornstarch. So I'm gonna season the fries because I'm thinking that the cornstarch is going to hold in the taste. So that's what I'm doing. That is adobo, black pepper.
Okay, let's see if I made it.
I don't really know. And where is my garlic powder? Let's see if it's done. Yes. It's bubbling. Okay. We're gonna let them cook, and we are going to beat the meat. Lady, stop. These are very thin steaks. Kilo hates them. Shush! Keep far. Like I was saying before she rudely interrupted me, Kilo does not like red in his steak, so it's better that it's thin and it cooks quicker. So. Okay, let's check on the fries. It's butter, baby. Fire in the hole? Yeah. It's on fire. I got it. Okay. Why'd that happen?
Could be some oil or something.
Well, no more. Okay. So we're gonna let that cook for a little bit. And now I'm gonna clean the dishes while it's cooking.
Hi.
Oh, it's dying. Did I charge the other one? I think so.
Did you guys watch my new video? Tell me if you did. Comment.
The grown-ups aren't gonna watch your
Comment if your kids watched my
Okay, there
YouTube
we
channel. Well, basically all of
comment down below if your kids are subscribed to.
it's basically grown-ups subscribe to me, but it's okay. Kids will
See, this is why women are better than men, because they can't do what we do, all right? They just can't.
What, buddy?
So, I'm just gonna let it thicken up. Here's the meat in there, huh? And the gravy, and I'm going to make some salad. I could add some broccoli up in there. I won't. Not today. Not today. We need to use up this big bag of salad.
It's almost done?
Yeah. He's almost done.
You have hot pockets, oh my god!
I told you she would like them. Ah, they're your kind too.
Oh, yeah.
Here. Big. Here. Alright guys, so that is the dinner of the night. I'm gonna let you go. Cause I'm gonna go eat, and then I have to clean up the rest of this kitchen, amongst other things. And I will be catching you on the flip side, like I was saying. Alright guys, until the next video, I'll catch you on the flip side.
Love you guys.
Did you say you love them? Do you actually love them?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Not as much as me though, right? You never love them as much as you love me. No. It doesn't feel good, guys. I gotta go. I have to take care of my baby. Oh, and by the way, you don't usually see anybody eating at the table because this is what they do.
Keeping me safe is a full-time job. No.
See that? So, they spend their little quality time. And I usually eat later. So if you ever wonder why you never see us eating together, it's because when Kilo comes home after a long day, he wants to relax, watch TV and all that stuff. So they eat in the living room on the floor like that. It doesn't bother me.